Up Poker Fam, it's Poker Boy Kai here, and today we're back with another pack opening. So today we're going to be opening the Mega Charizard YEX tin that's just released. So as you can see, you get one promo card inside. So it states one foil promo card featuring Mega Charizard X EX or Mega Charizard YEX, 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs, a code card for Pokemon TCG Live. So let's get into it. Let's open up this bad boy and see what packs we get inside. But yeah, the tin's pretty sick, not gonna lie, it looks pretty nice. And here is the card. So you gotta be extra careful with this. The best way to remove it is just to rip the corner here. So if you rip it right about there, it should just pop out and you're not going to damage it. So let's leave that bad boy up because that looks pretty sick. Throw a sleeve on it. There we go. So inside the tin, it's kind of like cardboard. It's not plastic like it would regularly be or normally. So it stops the card packs from getting damaged, which is pretty good. There's the promo, in case anyone wants it. And we get 2 Phantasmal Flames, 1 Mega Evolution, and 1 Journey Together. So I think we'll start off with the Phantasmal. Let's hope we get something good from these. If I can get it open. It's like they've really stuck these ones together. So there's the code card. We've got a basic energy, Nimble, Misdrevious, Duraludon, Carvanha, Punk Helmet, Cresselia, Linoon, Gloom, Reverse Hollow, Smeargle, Reverse Hollow, and a Rotom EX. Oh man, this is like my 3rd Rotom EX from Phantasmal Flames. Oh, I opened some packs with my girlfriend. In a video you might have seen it. And she got 2 Rotom EXs, so I don't know what it is about these Rotom EXs, but they seem to be really attracted to me. Right, so there's the code card. Whoever wants it. Let's hope we get something better than a Rotom EX, eh? So there's the basic energy. We got a Smeargle, a Toxel, a Bronzor, Mimikyu, Battle Cage, Bramblegast, Arcaludon, a Reverse Hollow Darumaka, and a Reverse Hollow Alchemy, and then a Hollow Toxtricity. So nothing special. We got 1 hit so far off the Phantasmal Flames, and that's the Rotom EX, and I won't even call that a hit, to be honest. But yeah, we're opening the Mega Evolutions pack now. Let's see if we get something good in this. Let's hope we hit. So there's the code card. Anyone wants it? And we're starting off. We've got the basic energy, fighting type. Got Scorbunny, Tinkatuff, Nuzleaf, Tyrogue, Risky Ruins, Houndstone, Tinkaton, Helios Reverse Hollow. And we got a Helioptile. Pretty sure that's a... I think it is an SIR, is it? And we've got a Dialga. So look, at least we hit something. It's a pretty nice hit. The Helioptile looks pretty sweet. So we'll sleeve that. Keep it nice and safe. There we go. Now onto our last pack. Journey Together. I've not really had much good luck with Journey Together, but okay, here goes nothing. Let's hope it's going to bring me some luck today. So there's the code card. Whoever wants it. And we've got a basic energy. Larvitar, Remoraid, Carablast, Torchic, Articuno, Postwick, Cloth, Reverse Hollow Pupitar, Reverse Hollow Maracactus, and a Hollow Butterfree. So no hits in that pack either. So we've got 2 hits from 4 packs. It's not the worst, it's not the best either. So this is what we finished up with. We got a Rotom EX and we got the Helioptile, which looks pretty sweet. But yeah, have a good evening guys, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe on YouTube, and like, comment, follow on TikTok. And if you can all give me a share, or my pages a share, I'd really appreciate it. Pokeboy Kai out.